put your front steer tires in the front crosswalk line. Front crosswalk line.
Yeah.
Right here. Stop, 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 stop. You don't want to be in the intersection if something goes wrong. Now, because there's so many cars coming, you're probably going to have to turn on the yellow.
Okay.
Okay? So what you do is you sit here, you wait for the light, you wait for the light. When the light goes yellow, then you start moving straight forward in the intersection. When you're absolutely triple, triple check, go. These guys are stopping, now you turn. Nice. That's how you do it.
Sweet.
Or if you see your gap coming, then you move forward to meet your gap, right? And then you get a little bit of speed and you can expedite that turn. That's why I said that guy driving the tractor trailer was too deep in the intersection, because it's more important in a bigger vehicle, because then you've got to get that speed going, right?
I wasn't like instinctively going to that right lane because that's how I come home. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, so there was noticeably more traffic than any other time we've been out, eh?
Yeah.
Which was really good, because you learned a valuable lesson at intersections. Track those pedestrians. Where is the pedestrian going?
And then I already knew that, but I'm not very good at picking the streets up.
Those are the real details of driving and learning how to drive for a driver's test.
Yeah.
And that's why, you get a lot of parents who trying to teach your kids how to drive, and it's like, you just, you're not a driving instructor. You got to let the student, take a few driving lessons and get some information, right?
Yeah, it's really valuable.
It was like the first time I tried to teach a guy how to drive truck to pass his truck driver's license. I wasn't a driving instructor.
Oh.
I was a truck driver. This is the way you drive it, mate.
They teach you how to teach.
Oh yeah. Well, and it's an experience thing too.
Yeah.
You get experience. Learn what the driving examiners want, what's expected, requirements and those types of things.
Yeah. So I failed my end test twice today.
You wouldn't fail for the blocking that side street. Now, if you say 25th, say the traffic up Hospital Hill was all backed up, and you drove into the intersection at Hospital Hill, that would be an automatic fail.
Yeah.
Probably blocking a side street like that, 10 points.
But there was the pedestrian, and then there was... What was the other thing you said I failed on? Oh, I think that was it.
That was just the one thing. Just the one thing, when you made the right turn and the pedestrian come running out there. Because the pedestrian had the right of way.
She didn't even look. Yeah.
Well, she didn't even look, right? And that's part of defensive driving, right? Is that you're coming up to the intersection and you're tracking all of the road users at the intersection.
Yeah. I think it's way easier to recognize a face though when they like look at you first.
Yeah.
Because I think we're just naturally built to do that.
Did you want me to come with you tomorrow, or is Ariane going to take you?
Yeah, would it be okay for you?
Yeah.
Sweet. Thank you. Hey, that kid has a windmill. I'm probably better than him. Just kidding. Just kidding.
That's okay, you can brag. You can brag.
No, they're pretty cool. Not many people in Vernon have them. I think there's 13 people. On the app, you can contact the other users, or you can set up group rides. It's pretty fun.